Well, hello everybody. So, there it is, the finished project of the motorcycle jack. So, rebuilt the pump somewhat. It looks like it had been left out and it had rusted. The shaft here, the plunger shaft was a little bit, but the main thing is this relief valve to let it lower was rusted. But that's it. Quick little project. Waited more on paint than anything to dry. Replaced all the R clips with cotter keys. So there it is. On to the next quick little project. Have a good day, all, or a good week.